Chipotle Mexican Grill, NYSE, CMG, today announced it has signed its first-ever development agreement to open restaurants in the Middle East and accelerate its international expansion efforts. In partnership with leading international franchise retail operator Al Shaya Group, the company will initially open new restaurants in Dubai and Kuwait early next year before expanding further across the region. Leveraging Al Shaya's market expertise will enable us to quickly gain access to these vibrant economies, said Chairman and Chief Executive Officer Brian Niccol. We are excited to offer guests in the Middle East our responsibly sourced, classically cooked real food and look forward to furthering our purpose to cultivate a better world in this new territory.